In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom org charts and shapes in draw.io for Confluence Cloud. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to place your diagram and make sure the page is in edit mode. This is important because the draw.io diagram needs to be inserted directly into the page while you're editing, not after it's already published. Once you're in the editor, click in the exact area where you want the org chart to appear. Then type /draw.io and choose the draw.io diagram option from the suggestions that appear. A pop-up window will open. Give it a moment to load fully so everything appears correctly. When the pop-up is ready, choose blank diagram, then click create at the bottom. After that, wait for the draw.io editor to load. Inside the editor, go to the panel on the left side and choose the shape you want to use for your org chart. A rectangle is a common choice because it keeps employee information clean and easy to read. Drag the shape onto the canvas and position it where you want it. Once the shape is selected, type in the details you want to display, such as a name, job title, and department. If needed, you can adjust the text using the toolbar at the top to improve readability and keep the chart visually consistent. Next, customize the shape so it matches the style you want. With the shape selected, look to the panel on the right and open the Style tab. Here you can change the fill color, adjust the line style, and add visual effects. This is useful if you want different teams or levels in the organization to stand out more clearly. When you're happy with the design of one shape, you can reuse it instead of starting over each time. Right-click the shape and choose duplicate. Then simply update the text with the correct details for the next person. To connect shapes, hover over one of them until you see connection arrows appear on the sides. Click and drag one of those arrows toward another shape to create a line between them. Continue duplicating, editing, and connecting shapes until your org chart is complete. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This will insert the finished diagram into your Confluence page. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom org chart in draw.io for Confluence Cloud.